Okay guys, today we learn about the last part of the matrix. Okay, if they give you the question give you a simultaneous like this, how to change to matrix form? Okay, for example, like for this one, make sure you rearrange it. X here, y here, and the constant or the number is put here. After you rearrange it, then you put inside, or we change to matrix method. So 8, 6 we put here, and then 3 and 4 we put here. Okay, don't forget, make sure the symbol is same. For example, here is all is positive, right? If negative here, we need to put negative. And then because the unknown is xy, we put xy here. 2 and 9 we put right hand side. All right. Okay, for example, this one also, if this one, make sure you already rearrange. Okay, x is mean 1, so we put 1 2 here. Negative 4y, negative 1y actually is negative 4 and negative 1. Unknown is xy, we put xy. 5 3 we put here. Okay, how we solve the simultaneous by using the matrix method? Okay, right. Before that, make sure you rearrange it, and then we change to matrix method. After that, still remember how to find the algebra, like 2x equal to 4. If we want to find the x, 2 you need to move to right hand side, right? So become divide, right? So in this chapter matrix, same also, if we want to find the xy, the unknown, this matrix we need to move to right hand side. When you move to right hand side, we call it inverse matrix. Still remember how to find the inverse matrix, right? Okay, when this one you move here, okay, this step actually no need to write. This one you move to right hand side, so become inverse matrix. Still remember how to find the inverse matrix? Make sure you need to know this cross section. 2 times 2 become 4, we put here. In the middle is a minus. 3 times 1 is 3. And then don't forget these two number we need to change place. Of course, both is 2. After you change place, it's still the same. These two we cannot change place, but we change the value, or we change the symbol. So these two both is positive, and then come out will become negative. And then these two number we put at the back, and then we simplify this one become 1, so nothing already. 1 will be nothing. And then these two we need to solve it. So remember how to solve this one? Row times column. So this one will be 2 times 3, 6, and then plus this one times this one. So the answer will come out 4. And then this one, negative 3 times negative 3, negative 9, plus 2 times 2 is 4. And then answer come out will be negative 5. Don't forget this one. This one you simplify become 1, and 1 times 4 become 4. 1 times negative 5 become negative 5. So this one is x and this one is y. Don't forget the final answer, you need to write down which one is x and which one is y. Okay, how about question like this? Before we start, make sure the equation you need to rearrange it, become like this: xy, xy, and number here. After that, we convert to matrix method. This one we move to right hand side, so become inverse matrix. You need to find inverse matrix. Don't forget the cross section method, or we call it formula. Negative 2 times negative 2 we put here. In the middle is negative. 6 times 1 here. These two we need to change place, so become, okay, both is negative 2. These two we change the symbol, so become negative negative. And 3 and negative 5 we need to put at the back. This one, after you simplify, is 1 over negative 2. After that, this one you need to times it. Is row times column. So negative 2 times 3 become negative 6. In the middle is plus. Negative 1 times negative 5 become positive 5. Negative 6 times 3, negative 18. In the middle we put plus. Negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. After you simplify, you get this one. And then last one, negative 1 over 2, you need to times inside both number. After you times inside, after you simplify, so the final answer is 1 over 2 and 4. Make sure you write down which one is x and which one is y. So this one is solve the equation by using matrix method. Alright, now we go to the past year question. Some past year question will be give you like this. They say P is equal to this one, and suddenly Q become like this. And then they say PQ equal to identity. Okay, before that, these two matrix is almost the same, but it's the inverse. It means the inverse of matrix P actually is equal to Q. So how we solve the question? If they say find the value of K and M, so it means we're using the matrix P, find the inverse matrix. So let's see. Okay, matrix P, make sure you know how to find the inverse matrix. 3 times 5 become 15, we put here. In the middle is negative. And then 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. These two numbers we change place, become 5 and 3. These two numbers we change the symbol only. Positive 2 become negative 2. And then negative 4 become 4. This is the inverse matrix of P. After that, we simplify it. So the answer will become like this. After that, we compare with the K1, I mean the matrix Q. We compare it, these two. So from here you know K is actually is 1 over 23. And then M is equal to 4. And then question B, they ask you solve the equation by using the matrix method. So make sure the equation they give you is rearranged. After that, we change to matrix method. Okay, after that, this matrix we move to right hand side, so become inverse matrix. Still the same, this one. Cross section, 3 times 5, 25, minus 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. After you minus is 23. And then 3, 5 we change place. These two we change the symbol only. So positive 2 become negative 2 and negative 4 become 4. 13 and 1 we put at the back. And then this one times this one. Row times column. After that you can get the answer is 69 and negative 23. Don't forget this one you need to times inside both answer or both number. After you simplify the answer, you get 3 and negative 1. Make sure you write down final answer. X is 3, Y is negative 1.
As the last ship sailed towards the distant horizon, I sat there watching on a rock, my mind slowly drifting away, forming into my